Planning your 2026 SaaS ad budget? You might be overlooking your most potent platform. The biggest myth is that Meta is just for B2C. The reality? It's a B2B SaaS growth engine. And it's not just effective, it's incredibly cost-efficient. With average CPCs on Meta often half of LinkedIn's, your budget can go significantly further. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the AI shift, creative strategies, and campaign structures you need to dominate. So, how is this B2B success possible? It begins with Meta's ability to support the entire SaaS customer path. At the top of the funnel, you can educate the market and build awareness with video and carousel ads. Then, you nurture those leads with valuable resources using lead forms and drive demos with powerful retargeting. Underneath it all is Meta's powerful AI, starting with tools like lookalike audiences. These find new prospects based on behavioral patterns, not just static job titles. It's about finding people who act like your best customers. In 2026, this becomes even more powerful as AI permits personalization at scale, tailoring ads to a user's industry in real time. This isn't just a feature, it's a fundamental change. By late 2026, Meta is aiming for near-full AI automation in advertising. This creates the single most important question for 2026. If AI handles the targeting, what is the marketer's job? First, understand why this is happening. Tools like Advantage Plus already outperform manual setups, boosting ROAS by over 30% in some cases. Because the AI is so good, overly narrow targeting has become counterproductive. The winning strategy is to go broad and let the algorithm learn. So, back to our question. What is the marketer's job? The answer is simple and it changes everything. When the AI handles audience discovery, your single biggest performance control is the ad itself. In 2026, creative is the new targeting. So, what does high-performance creative actually look like for SaaS? Let's review the top-performing ad examples for 2026. First, a surprise. Don't abandon static images. They remain very effective for driving conversions with direct bottom-of-funnel offers. Second, for grabbing attention from cold audiences. Nothing beats Reels. You have 3 seconds to present a hook that hits a specific pain point. Third, use carousel ads to break down a complex tool. You can showcase multiple product features or benefits in a single, interactive ad. But the most powerful creative strategy isn't made by you. It's made by your users. We're talking about user-generated content. Why is UGC so effective? Authenticity and social proof. It drives much higher engagement because it feels real and trustworthy. The best UGC videos follow a problem-solution story. A real user shows their workflow before your tool, then shows the transformation after. The common thread in all these examples is a focus on outcomes, not features. You must communicate the value and transformation within seconds. This applies to your copy. Use social proof like testimonials and urgency to prompt action. Don't just describe, persuade. Finally, for lead generation, offer value first. Ads for a free template or guide deliver a lower cost per lead than asking for a demo. Now let's bring this all together. Remember how AI-driven broad targeting needs data to learn, and how we have many creative formats to test. This is why the recommended 2026 structure is a 2-campaign setup. Campaign 1 is your creative lab for testing. Campaign 2 is your scaling engine for winners. To make this engine efficient, you must feed it clean data. Actively exclude existing customers, pipeline contacts, and employees from campaigns. This structure, testing, scaling, and excluding, is how you partner with the AI instead of fighting it. It turns creative insights into predictable growth. In 2026, Meta is a top-tier channel for SaaS. Success isn't about targeting tricks anymore. It's about out-creating your competition to fuel the AI. Your playbook? 1. Use broad targeting and let the AI work. 2. Make creative your main strategic focus. 3. Use a 2-part campaign structure. The SaaS marketer of 2026 is less of a media buyer and more of a creative strategist and ad portfolio manager. Master this shift, and you will win. The brands that treat creative as a strategic asset, not an afterthought, are the ones that will own Meta in 2026.